In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land on the main site's dashboard where you can create a new site. If you aren't signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account so your portfolio will be saved automatically and linked to your drive. On the Google Sites homepage, look toward the top right area for the template gallery. There's a drop-down that shows different ready-made designs. Click on that drop-down to expand the full gallery. Using a template will save you a lot of time because the structure and basic layout are already built. From the template options, find the one called Portfolio and click on it. Google will create a new site using that portfolio layout. This template usually includes sections for your introduction, projects, skills, and contact details, which makes it a great starting point for most kinds of portfolios. Once the template loads, start personalizing it. Click on any text box you see on the page and replace the placeholder text with your own information. You might add your name, a short About Me paragraph, your role or title, and a brief summary of what visitors can expect to find in your portfolio. Take your time to make the wording clear and professional, and remember that you can adjust font size and alignment from the toolbar that appears when you click on text. Next, update the images and media. Click on any image in the template. You'll see options to replace it with a picture from your computer, Google Drive, or even from the web. Choose images that represent your work well, such as project screenshots, artwork, or professional photos. Make sure they're clear and not blurry, because strong visuals can make your portfolio feel much more polished. If you want to add more content, look at the panel on the side and click on the Insert tab. Here you can add extra content blocks, new text boxes, images, embedded videos, and files from your Google Drive. Drag and drop elements onto the page to build out sections like project case studies, testimonials, or a list of services. To organize your work better, click on the Pages tab. This lets you add new pages to your portfolio, such as projects, about, or contact. You can create a simple navigation menu so visitors can move around your site easily. You can also change the overall look by clicking on the Themes tab. Browse through the theme options and choose one that matches your style. You can tweak colors and fonts within each theme so your portfolio feels unique but still consistent. When you've finished customizing your site and you're happy with the content and design, look to the top right and click on Publish. You'll be asked to choose a web address for your portfolio. After you confirm, your portfolio will go live and you'll be able to share the link with others.